Hands up if you've been using something like this as an ingot mold to pour your leftover metal when all your castings are done. We've all done it. That's how I started out with some old muffin pans. Works pretty good for aluminum, but as we all know from personal experience or from seeing someone else try it, you try to pour bronze or copper alloys in one of these, chances are you're not going to get it back out without having to destroy your pan. I've said this before, I've showed this before, but I just thought I've recommended this to people several times outside of YouTube, and I just figured if I make a short video just showing this, it might help some people, or at least it'll help me having to explain it over and over again. I could just post a link to this. So here's what I do. Flip it over. Build a flask that fits snug around the edges of it. Ram up as usual. This is, using your Petrobond for this is, not gonna lie, it's hard on the stand. It's the ingots are pretty thick, and they're gonna burn a lot of oil out of your sand and probably a little bit of the clay too. But you gotta pour it somewhere, and if you don't feel like welding up angle iron molds, which you certainly can do, this works for me anyway. Alright, now we flip it over and demold this thing. I will fix that camera. It is very annoying. go. I'll just blow it out a little bit, make sure it's got no crumbs that are going to get in my ingots. And, should be good to go. But I do think this is even better with green sand or Sandrammer's cement bonded sand recipe, which you can find over on his channel. He made a big ingot mold with the stuff. It should be, you know, somewhat semi-permanent if you use it for ingots. Alright, that's it.